Alrighty, now we're going to look at the find function and the find and replace function. So, got our document open here. On the home tab, on the right hand side, under editing, you'll find your find and replace or your find and select. So, let's click on that. First, we're going to use the find function. I'm going to open up find, bring this up so that you can see it clearly. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for accounting. All right, I can say find next. You'll see that it shows over there on the left hand side. Find next, it'll go down to the next one, and so forth. Or I can say find all. All right, bring this up a little bit. Come down to your bottom right hand corner, you'll see how your cursor changes to two white arrows. Click on that, and you can drag to open it up a little bit better so that you can see all of them. Now you'll see it says to you which book it's in. Excel find replace back practice. That's the name of my workbook. Which cell is it in? It's in cell A8. As you can see over here, cell A8 is currently highlighted. Okay, and the value is accounting. That is what I was looking for. If I click on the next one, it'll take me to the next one. And if I click on that, it'll take me to the next one over there. So that is how you use the find and replace. You also have additional options over here. So you can look within the sheet or within the entire workbook. You can search by rows or by columns. I can look in formulas, values, notes, comments. Right, I can make it case sensitive. Right, so if I were to go and type in counting without the capital A, and I go match case, and I go find next, it tell me that I couldn't find it. All right, so be careful about using match case. Match entire cell contents. All right, so if I say accounting and finance, for instance, and I say match entire cell content, find next, it's going to tell me it couldn't because my accounting does not have and finance within it. Alrighty, so be careful with that. Okay, so that is your find option over there. Now let's go back to find and replace. So let's go to find and select and choose the replace option. Now because I used accounting last time, it's automatically up there. I can go and I can put it in, I can put something else in if I wanted to. Again, while I'm looking for it, I'm not going to have it match sensitive. All right, I'm not going to worry about these additional options. So I'm going to close off my options. And what do I want to replace it with? Now, when you are replacing, you need to have your cases correct. Whether you want it uppercase, lowercase, because it's going to replace it exactly as is. So I'm going to type in finance, and my finance is with a capital F. I can go find next, next, next if I want to. Or again, I can say find all. Let's just make that a little bit bigger. You can tell me at the bottom here, it's found 3 cells with accounting in it. All right, I can select a specific cell and I can replace it. There we go. I can replace them all one by one. Let's quickly close this off and undo this. So we can go back to the beginning. Or I can come, say find replace, look for accounting, replace it with finance. Let's just say find all again, just so that you can see that. And once I've had a look through here and I'm happy that they can all be changed, I can say replace all. It says they're all done. We've made 3 replacements. Let's close it off and let's have a look over here. So there's accounting changed, there's accounting changed, and there's accounting changed to finance. And that's how you make use of find and replace. Alrighty, let's have a look at check spell. Right, let's open up the next document. Come on. Let's just go to my document over here. Let's go to check spelling. Just wait for it to open up quickly. Right, and this is similar to within Word, where you can check your spelling over here. All right, so let's have a look at what we've got inside of here. We've got strategy debrief, strength exercise, exercise. So I can come, let's see what they say over here quickly. Right, so we go past that. Let's go to a spell check. Right, to use it, we come to review, go to our spelling, right, and it's going to go through our document. It's going to say exercise. How do we want to change it? It's going to give us a couple of suggestions. If it's spelled incorrectly, exercise, exercise, exercises, exerciser. We can change it. We can change all. We can autocorrect. We can add to the dictionary. We can ignore all, or we can ignore once. So let's have a look at our worksheet again. All right. Let's come to our review tab. Come up to spelling. And you want to continue from the beginning? Yes. And bring the dialog box up over here. So in this sheet, this one over here, and this is D9. I can see D9 over there. Look at my name box. Okay, it is spelled incorrectly. What I want to do at this moment, I want to change it. My spell check is done, and I'm all good to go. So what it'll do is it'll work through your entire worksheet, and it'll look for any changes, and you can either any mistakes, and you can either go make the changes or ignore them or add them to your dictionary. All right, that is that for find and replace and for spell check.